Oh, Pop.
This is a good dancer.
Hey, Betty Crocker.
Yeah.
Do you want to come in so you can put some candles in your cake?
Yeah.
Hannah, say bye to everyone. Oh,
Is that baby cute?
Are you gonna give him big kisses, Luke?